guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and here we go again for Packet Racer entitled Skills Integration Challenge. So addressing table, they have device, IPv4 address, IPv6 address or prefix in IPv4 address and subnet mask. Your command has won a contract to get a small network for a restaurant owner. There are two restaurants near each other and they all share one connection. The equipment and cabling is installed and the network administration has designed the implementation plan. Your job is to implement the rest of the addressing scheme according to the abbreviated addressing table and verify connectivity. So let's pretend that there have one company that has small network for restaurant owner. So sample is this. They have shared Tor 1 connection. Then requirements, complete the addressing table documentation. So configure R1, this is R1 with IPv4 and IPv6 addressing. Then configure S1 with IPv4 addressing. So S2 is already configured. So S2 is finished. Then configure manage A. So the manager is this one. Then IPv4 and IPv6 addressing. The rest of the client are already configured. Then verify connectivity. All clients should be able to ping each other and access the website on accounting.pka and website PKA. So this here to this and to this. Then now to going to configure this R1. So CLI. So first enable, then configure terminal, then IP interface or gigabit 00, then IP address 172 172.16.10.1, then 255.255.255.0 for the subnet mask. So 192. Then I'm going to put the IPv6 addressing. So IPv6 and IPv6 addressing. So IPv6 address so this is the IPv6 address. So let's put it to the CLI 2001 db8 escape, then 1 2 then 1 then 64. So IPv6, so IPv6 address, then F80, then 1 link local, then we're going to put no shutdown, then exit, then the next is interface gigabit 01. So interface gigabit 01, then IP address then one is this, the IP address is 172.16 255.10.65. Then 255.255.255.1924 for the subnet mask. Then IPv6 address is the 2001 for DB8, then cafe, then 2, then 164. Then no no shutdown. The next is no shutdown, then exit. So oops, line 45 up down. So no shutdown. So exit. Then configure console by console. Then the configure terminal interface. Then repeat interface G01. Then IPv6 address. IP address, and then 172.16.10.65. Then the subnet mask .255.255.255.192 for the subnet mask. Then IPv6 address, they have 2001 DB8, then cafe dot 182, then 164. Then the next is IPv6 address, link local. So I forgot to put this link local. So FE0801, the link local. Then no shutdown, then exit, then right to save your configuration. Now okay. Then I'm going to configure the S1 with IPv4 addressing, and S2 is already configured. Then S1 enable, configure terminal, then interface S1. So here S1 VLAN 1, then IP address, then enter IP address, then 172. This is the IP address of VLAN 1, 172.16.10.62. Then 255.255.255.192. Then now shutdown. Then enter, exit. Then the default gateway is IP default gateway 172.16.110.1. Then end. Right. So now okay. Then let's proceed to manager A. So this is the manager A. Going to IPv4 and IPv6 addressing. So This manager is the, let's put the IP address of manager A here. 172.16.10.126. Then 0.192. Then default gateway is 172.16.10.1. Then the DSN server. Where's the DSN? Yeah, 172.10.16.10.66. Then IPv6 address is, so this is the IP address, IPv6 address. This there was 64. Then link local address is FE80. Okay. This is the IPv6 gateway FE80 one. Then IPv6 DNS server. This is, so 2001 PB8 to 64. Oh, valid. 2001 PB8 copy. Then two, two. So it's okay. So it's a 75 completion. Let's check. It's 3. Now 80 for 80. So that's all for this packet racer. Thank you.